Thank you, chef.
No problem.
Welcome back, peeps. Another vlog coming your way, and hopefully this one looks a little bit better. I'm changing things up a little bit. So today's vlog is very simple. Me and my friend that you have seen on this channel already, the Patriots fan, we are planning on going to another friend who's a DJ for a barbecue or a cookout. So yeah, that's what's happening today. But I think you guys gonna have fun with a couple of different kind of videos and shots. And here is that Patriots friend and fan taking me to another friend's place for barbecue.
Not barbecue, but just chilling.
Cookout.
And I think he's cookout. He's making
Yeah.
chicken cheese steak.
He's making chicken cheesesteak for us.
That's what he told us, but I don't know.
Maybe a surprise.
Maybe a surprise, yes.
Yeah.
But he's a good cook.
All right. We have arrived to our destination.
You can always trust Meineke. Fix it now and pay over time with our easy
Ketchup
financing
जो दो
options.
ketchup
तू मार चिंता ना करिस मैं तन खावा बोला यार
I'm in the presence of two people who really enjoy cooking. This guy and the other chef. This guy. That chicken cheesesteak already smells so good. Right? You smell it. I am very excited. Oh yeah. I'm very excited. I know he's excited. Thank you, chef.
no problem.
That was insane. She played so good. I love drums. I don't know how to play them though. Can't see the moon, so we're gonna bring it a little bit closer. Wait for it. There it is. We brought the moon closer, just like that.
Oops. Hop. There you go.
Just
This is the closest I have
up
ever
close. There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
been.
So we are back home. That was a good dinner for sure. Didn't get to capture drone shots or anything, but I got to see moon through a telescope, which I had not done before, so that was pretty exciting. But yeah, this is gonna be pretty short, I think, because I want to end this tonight and hopefully start a new one tomorrow with a few more drone shots that actually work this time. And let me know in the comment how you guys like the color correction on this, because I'm not using C-Log. I finally decided to give up on C-Log and use Faithful Color Profile for at least the vlogs and maybe other short videos that I do in future. And thank you so much guys for liking, commenting, sharing, and doing everything you can in your power to help my channel. Hope you have a good night and stay safe out there. Peace.